I've just found a way to fool AI content detectors without using any other tools other than ChatGPT. Using ChatGPT to write your essays and to write your blog content is becoming increasingly more difficult as AI detectors are becoming a lot more commonplace. Now, there are some paid options out there for paraphrasing such as Grammarly, but you can do it all for free inside ChatGPT with what I've just discovered. Now let's start by asking ChatGPT to write us this 150-word essay. And yes, this does also work with longer content. Now, when we paste this text into the various AI detectors, they can all detect that this has been written by ChatGPT or another AI. Lots of people have been suggesting you can use Quillbot to paraphrase your content to make it bypass the detectors. But there's two problems with this. One, it doesn't really work anymore, and two, it's a paid service. So I decided to ask ChatGPT if it had heard of Quillbot before. It gives me a little bit too much information, but confirms that it has in fact heard of Quillbot. So I ask it if it can perform the same task as Quillbot if I paste some text. Even with an autocorrect typo, it understands and says that it can do it. Here I paste in the text that it has provided me in the previous prompt, and just a few seconds later, we have this paraphrased copy of the text. And when we paste this text into the same AI detectors, they all believe that the text was written by a human and not by AI. Remember to hit the plus and check out our profile for more.